If I told you that 90% of people in crypto are not investors, they are exit liquidity, would you still jump in blindly? Every cycle, the same story repeats. People buy at the top, they panic at the bottom, they blame the market, but the market is not emotional. You are. So today, I'm going to show you how to actually make money with crypto, without gambling, without chasing hype, and without becoming someone else's profit. Let's begin. Part 1. Understand what crypto really is. Before you try to make money with crypto, you must understand what game you're playing. Crypto is not just digital money. It's technology, speculation, narrative cycles, liquidity waves, human psychology. There are only two types of participants: speculators, strategic capital allocators. Speculators chase green candles. Strategic investors follow liquidity, adoption, narratives, timing. If you don't know which one you are probably the first. Part 2. The 5 real ways to make money in crypto. Let's break it down clearly. There are only 5 legitimate ways to make money in crypto. Long-term investing. The smart money game. This means buying strong assets in early phases and holding through volatility. Example categories: Bitcoin, store of value; Ethereum, smart contracts; AI infrastructure coins, DePIN projects. But here's the tea: you don't buy during hype, you accumulate during fear. The richest people in crypto bought when everyone else was scared. 2. Cycle trading. Timing the waves. Crypto moves in cycles: accumulation, expansion, euphoria, crash, reset. Most people buy during euphoria. Smart money buys during accumulation. You don't need perfect timing. You need patience, risk control, emotional discipline. 3. Narrative investing. Follow the story. Every bull cycle has a theme. 2017, ICOs; 2021, DeFi and NFTs; 2024 to 2026, AI plus infrastructure plus real-world assets. Money flows where attention flows. If liquidity is flowing into AI tokens, why are you stuck in dead narratives? Don't marry coins, marry momentum. 4. Staking and yield. Passive strategy. Instead of just holding coins, you can earn yield. But here's the truth: high APY usually equals high risk. If something promises 50% guaranteed return, you are the product. Stick to reliable protocols, large cap ecosystems, sustainable yield models. Stick to reliable protocols, large cap ecosystems, sustainable yield models. 5. Building and earning. The overlooked strategy. You don't have to trade to earn in crypto. You can create content, run a node, develop apps, offer consulting, provide liquidity. The biggest money is not always in trading. It's in building. The biggest money is not always in trading. It's in building. Hey, part 3. Why most people lose money. Let's be honest. Most people don't lose because crypto is bad. They lose because they over-leverage. They buy influencers' bags. They don't take profit. They invest emotionally. They chase 10x dreams with zero research. Here's a harsh truth. If your investment strategy is based on Twitter hype, you are someone else's exit strategy. Part 4. The psychology trap. Crypto is a dopamine machine. Green candle equals excitement. Red candle equals panic. You're not investing, you're reacting. The market rewards calm minds, slow decisions, clear systems. You must decide before you invest. Are you here to gamble, or are you here to build capital? Part 5. My simple 4-step crypto framework. Here's a simple structure anyone can use. Step 1. Capital allocation. Never put 100% in one coin. Example: 40% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, 20% high-conviction narrative plays, 10% speculative moonshots. Risk decreases, opportunity stays alive. Step 2. Entry strategy. Don't buy after a 300% pump. Wait for pullbacks, consolidation, fear phases. Patience pays. Step 3. Profit-taking rules. Most people never take profit. Have rules like take 20% out after 2 times, recover initial capital after 3 times, let profits run. No regret, no panic. Step 4. Risk control. Never use money you can't afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Survival is more important than greed. Part 6, 2026 Outlook. Right now, we are entering a selective cycle. Not everything will pump. The market is becoming smarter. Capital is flowing into AI infrastructure, real-world assets, utility-driven projects, scalable ecosystems. Meme coins will still exist, but long-term wealth? That goes to fundamentals. Final message. Crypto is not a lottery. It's a game of patience, psychology, and positioning. You don't need to predict the future. You need discipline, risk management, long-term thinking. Remember this, wealth in crypto is not made in one trade. It's built over cycles. If you want clear, unbiased breakdowns of what's actually worth your capital, hit subscribe. We cut through the hype so you don't have to. End card line. Smart money moves quietly. Are you ready to move smart?